Hey guys, come set up Daisy's cognitive puzzle with me. I've pretty much already got it, but what we did is I took some of this Kong spray cheese. This stuff, she really loves this stuff. And I put little dabs in most of the holes in the cognitive puzzle here. And now I'll just put these caps in place. And